Folks, it's that day again, beautiful spring day in May, and we are launching yet another module. I don't know if this will excite you as much as it excites me, but it is a multiple, again, a buffered multiple, that is going to be called the Lil Mult. And, Leah, one of our fine designers, put this together, and it is a surface mount DIY kit, PCB panel, and also a completed unit, as we all do. So check out the size of this thing. It is about the size, man, almost the size of a blackout cake flavored Oreo cookie. And obviously this also fits into our great universal Pulp Logic or Intellijel format for your 1U system. Of course, we've got rails, we've got brackets, we got all kinds of things to make you a wonderful 1U portion of your synthesis needs met by us. And this is launching today. Look at this cute little 5 pins right here. That will take a regular 10 to 16 pin Eurorack cable. And so this is out. Practice your surface mount, because we got more surface mount stuff coming too. It's going to be great. Very small profile, very skiffable, and out today. Thanks so much for being a loyal customer. We love you guys. You guys are the best. You keep us going, and hopefully we keep the music annoying your neighbors into perpetuity. Thank you so much.